I'll stay.
Where are you playing?
Don't worry about where I'm playing,
Go back,
kid.
kid.
You worry about where you're playing, alright? This is my team here.
No, not yet. Yeah, it's a fake.
Up top, stay A, stay A, stay A right now. What is this fucking... This
Threat
guy's nuts, bro. Hella
neutralized.
fake.
Fucking...
Oh, we bid on the fake hard. Hope they don't go A.
Good walk up, cat.
B, B, B,
Come
B,
in
B.
B. Come in B.
Nice. You got this, buddy. You got this.
Waiting.
Oh, ooh, ooh. No,
Go
fight him,
Marco.
fight him, fight him. Hell yeah. Good job, man.
Let's go, baby.
Ooh, what a strat. Jason, you recall that, huh? The old quarterback sneak. I like it.
Yeah, you like it?
Yep.
I'm flashing mid again. Flashing again.
One lit, top mid.
Oh!
Bomb connector,
Okay,
bomb
that's
connector.
bullshit, dude. You're actually ugly as shit, bro.
Do you have any players that you think are good? Like,
Sure,
up and
peek them
coming?
together, guys.
I'll swing on him, bro.
Same swinging, nice,
Swing,
hell yeah.
swing, swing.
Good job, boys.
Yeah.
What's up,
Down
what's up?
connector.
Damn, Jason, hella good
Just
entry.
spamming.
Triple.
He's in air. Fire. Now, middle sight.
In market, in market.
Oh, shit! How did he do what?
He's not happy.
Where's him out?
The old overpeat.
Let's see,
2 HP pals. He needed
One more.
Triple.
Nice.
Last guy 1 HP.
He's close, bench.
Ooh!
Popping.
Nice.
Bench inside.
Bench still. Nice.
Van.
That's right. That was.
What's up, Mo? What's up?
Sure, probably
One
like that.
HP
That was hella
on the
good take, man.
What happened there?
Any cap?
Apps 50.
No! He.
Then, or
Right
bench.
Oh my god, I can't believe I lost that round. Alright, I'm gonna try the MX518 for a little bit.
Triple.
Triple low.
Fuck this mouse! Now I feel like shit
One
with
more
this
like
mouse.
bench. For
Nah,
close
no.
stairs.
Actually, no. I can't just keep switching mice.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
There were a lot of follow bots, like a lot of bots that
be on
hit you
mid,
with
careful.
follows
Jump
randomly.
spawning.
A ramp, right side of A ramp,
I
right side
remember
of A
when I,
ramp.
when I first started streaming, I got follow botted like 30,000 one night,
Watch your
one
pals,
randomly.
Ramp.
Oh my
Ramp
god.
and Tetris.
I fucked that up. Whoa, I hit ramp barely though.
Jason just B hopped up mid. Yeah, he's out. Fully. Another one close.
Could be
Yep.
under window or something.
No ramp. Good job.
Nice. Good round, guys.
What you say, Mo?
Tell me if you hear anything near ramp.
Yeah, I hear like 2 there. I'm flashing, no?
No, I let them. He's said that.
Flashing above you, Mo.
2 out. I'm out, 3 out.
Is it
Bomb's definitely.
One more triple.
That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm. You thought you had a chance. Could be out mid.
One chair.
Can kill
I'm
Sharon
alley
in a
chair.
sec. Sharon dead.
One here.
One up cat dead. Bomb down
That's
cat.
mid dead.
Walk
Coming
through
out
the
BFs.
smoke.
Coming out BFs. Out on site already.
We have bomb, right?
Down cat. Yeah,
Alright,
down
I'm
cat.
gonna go up from. Better not get shot from the bottom, boys. Anyone watching? Drake's dead. He's boosting it. Last guy's there.
Yep.
Where's the
I
cap?
thought I was gonna fucking
Yeah,
fuck
let's get
with it. He was cat.
Relax, okay?
Thought I was gonna fuck with it.
Yeah.
He's there. I missed. Oh my god, what did I?
No.
Oh my god.
my God.
I flashed. Go after him. Fuck me.
It's the game.
Molly. Nice.
Hold on, let me get my op. Dude, it's hella far. No, I haven't really lost a lot of weight.
Ramp running out.
Oh my god, I missed! Oh my god, I missed! The easiest shot! Bro, I fucking brain froze. My brain froze.
He's under. He's.
Kill him. Tetris. Last guy, Tetris.
Yeah.
Just lock it. Nice job.
Nice.
Oh my god, Jason.
Where's your op?
I literally had a brain freeze. Did you see what happened to me?
Nothing under.
Nice.
Nice half.
Auto sniper Mo, you fucking old
Had to.
fuck.
Hey, listen, dog. When in doubt, whip it out. You know the rules. What? We're gonna explode. We're gonna start running. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Ticket.
I hit him once.
CT.
Jungle.
Jungle and stairs. Jungle and stairs.
Bomb down in the back spot.
That's right.
He's still CT.
Nice.
Oh,
what?
What? Lee is so
Alright,
known
alright.
for flanking, dude. What the fuck?
I'm taking a chance here. I'm scouting.
Still cat.
Nice. Come
I'm
back.
dead.
Stay alive, guys. Stay alive. Left.
Triple.
Window dead.
Triple the scout. Triple the scout or not.
If you reach, I
I'm
teach.
flashing a bit.
You reach, I teach, bro. Come back. Let's shit you.
Yeah,
need to say
regroup.
that.
What do you mean?
Where are we going?
You guys want to hit B?
Was
Do you have
ladder.
some-
Ladder. Fuck! I almost hit him.
Wait, try getting up B
He's
now.
If you reach, I teach, homie.
Ah. Towards B then.
He's on it.
Jungle.
Jungle.
Last guy.
Bad.
Yes, baby. Good job, man.
That's my
Get that
bad.
gun,
That
dog.
was scary. That was scary.
Good job.
Flashing it out. Flashing up.
Nice.
Closer up to. Triple, I
Dead.
think.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's just plant site. Nice.
CT smokes bad. Fuck.
Cat hurt.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
You're kidding.
Last guy
He's
cat
cat
hurt.
lit. Should be.
Baby!
Plant.
Toby! Yep.
Nice. AK con.
Blind.
Top right.
Flashing. Just go.
He's on the balcony. There he was.
2 eggs still. There's only 2 more there.
Backside.
I'm dead, dude. Are you kidding me? Why are you over-rotated? Are you cheating? Are you stream sniping? You've done it before. I wouldn't be surprised if you'll do it again.
How have I done it before?
Alright,
Did you
we're
die
doing-
in my
we're doing-
Molotov?
Yeah, I fucking didn't realize it's catching me. Alright, save.
He's taking bench.
Yeah.
Where? Come on, we need that smoke. Why is it not there, boys? Come on, man. You gotta tell us you don't have jungle out. You gotta tell us.
Through CT.
Yeah.
Opping con.
Hold on.
Oh, I missed! He's fucking. Oh my god, what a noob. Bryce is the biggest fucking noob, dude. I think that guy's sub to me. I'm banning him from my channel. Nice, come on, guys.
Back left pillar. Back left pillar.
Back
no.
pillar.
One more.
Nice. Mark it.
Mark it door. No, James. No.
On site.
James, fucking get off, bro. No, bro, you could have won it. Bro, you could have won us that round if you didn't go for the op. Why'd you go for the op?
See, that's. He definitely just smoked that from CT, so there's one pile on CT.
Nice.
CT, kill him. Thanks.
One's window right now.
Yeah, jungle.
Got him.
Oh my god.
You're such a fucking fuck.
One cat.
What are you even doing there?
What do you want from me, dude?
I got it.
No, he's jungle.
Jungle.
Go B with the bomb right now. Just rush it. Alright, listen, guys,
was about to say my
just so
round
you guys, first off, why is the bomb down? Second off, boys, talk to each other. You're coming out B, you're making a lot of noise. Wait for jungle. You need to just start moving up for him and helping him. Go through exact same route. Just do it quicker, man.
Did someone scope?
I'm just gonna B push.
What's in middle sight? Middle sight.
I
Are
can
you guys
splash if you
committing?
want.
I'm blocked. Bro, you watch.
Jungle.
Coming out of
dead.
this. Can you guys wait? Or are you ready out?
Jungle.
I'm flashing towards jungle.
Again, stairs, then jungle.
Hey, man, Jippin, man, get the fuck off me. Fuck, this guy just walks. Why did he
Just
take the
can we
walk?
regroup? Flashing.
Oh my god, offer. Fuck it. I can't believe you just did that. You're so ugly.
Open.
Yo, Jiffin, I just want to say, if I'm stoked
What
at
the
that
hell
angle,
was that?
Jiffin, you
Look,
gotta
you're a
just, you
good-looking
can't
guy
cross to the
for
left. You gotta wait for
95
me,
years old.
like there, because
Yeah.
he literally crossed at the exact same time you crossed.
Window and lower. Nice window.
CT spawn one. CT spawn one.
One's flanking for sure. 100%
CT.
flanking.
I've got CT.
One more CT.
He's CT, you said?
10 health CT. Kill him. I want you guys to kill this fucker. Good job. Fuck yeah, baby. Fuck yeah. Window, but wait, we have no one with us.
He's right side.
Should you even say any?
In Palace, just wait now.
One's in. Hold on, I'm gonna make the play right now.
I'll kill this guy Palace, me too.
No, fuck.
He's
triple. My fault, dude. I was trying to get out of connector fast so I don't get flamed.
Keys, get right.
Get out there.
Get right. Get right.
Boost it.
Nice. He's open pillar.
Empty.
No, he's done. Nice.
Empty.
Fuck you, dude.
Window.
Why are you even peeking that angle?
Get right.
One on one.
Don't be.
Yes, baby. Fuck you. You're the
Shit, bro, let's
Good
go.
job, man. What do we get? What do we win in the hub? What do we get? 100 subs?
Wait, what?
What do we win in the hub?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? All that was for nothing? Alright, I'm done.
It's always for nothing. One game's always for nothing.
I wasted my fucking good years out here.